Intercourse is very crucial part in your life. If anyone are unable to complete satisfaction to his partner, it is very bad, and many conjugal lives are broken or damaged for this problem. To remove or recover this problem, take or try this workout at home and you will get more powerful within a week. The seated leg lift boosts our core strength by improving mobility and control of our hamstrings, quads, glutes, hips, and lower abdominal muscles. It's a very straightforward, beginner friendly exercise that can be adapted to your current ability. Whether you are a new mover or an experienced athlete,